Hello, my little pickles. Granny here. And today, Granny's gonna make these sensory bottles. The first sensory bottle that we're gonna make is called Glitter Galaxy. All right, the first thing we gotta do, open the bottle. And we're gonna put in our little sequins. They go right in the bottle just like that. There's one. Here's some more. Then we gotta put some glitter in. Woo! We're gonna put silver in, just like that. Now we're gonna put in the pink. We pour it in just like that. Now we're gonna put in the blue. That's Granny's favorite color. Now we're gonna put in the purple. Here we go. Now it's time to put in the glitter glue. Gotta open it. And there it goes in. Now we need a funnel. Here we go. We put it right like that. And we're gonna pour a whole bunch of water in. All the way to the top. You take your stirrer and stir it up really good. Come on, you gotta get down to the bottom. Stir, stir, stir. Come on, stir it up. Now we put the lid on. Make sure it's tight. And now we're gonna shake it up. What? Oh my goodness, look at that. Is that cool? Do you see the stars and the moons? Let's stir it up again. Look at that. Granny could look at that all day. Very cool. The next sensory bottle that Granny's gonna make is called Wave Crasher. What? All right, let's make it. The first thing you gotta do is put this little blue tablet in there and fill it up with water halfway. There we go. Now we're gonna mix it up. Get going in there. Come on. See, it's turning blue. That's pretty cool. Keep going. Look at that. Does that look like Nemo? Granny thinks it does. He's going for a swim. Here you go. Now we put the mineral oil in the bottle. Now we're going to put the hoop in the top of the bottle. And we put the hoop right in there. And close it up good. All right, let's see what we got. Look at that. We gotta see if we can get Nemo to go through the hoop. Come on, Nemo. You can do. He just did it. Look at that. That's a cool one. For this, you're going to need a funnel. Put your funnel in there and pour your water in. Just like that. Now you're going to need some dish soap. So Granny's going to pour a whole bunch of dish soap in there. Look at that. That's just crazy. All right, that's it. Let's put the lid on. And let's shake it up and see what we got. What? Look at that. It's a tornado. See it? Isn't that cool? See that tornado in there? Let's shake it up some more. Look at it. That's so cool. Wow. All right, the last bottle that Granny's gonna make is called a lava fizzler. What? Okay. The first thing you need to do, open the bottle, put your funnel in, and put just a little bit of water in the bottom. Just about like that. Then you need red food coloring to make your lava. We're gonna make it pretty red. Let's do some more. The next thing you do is you put mineral oil in there. A whole bunch. Put the lid on. And now shake it up. Let's see what we got. What? Look at that. That's crazy. It looks like lava. What in the world? Wow. Well, that's all Granny has for you today. Goodbye, my little pickles. And for more videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and find me on Cameo.